I would like to extend a very warm welcome to you all for your time in being present here for this important event. A team of people wake up each morning as though it were the first.
The head of school, Mr. Kailash Pillai, excuse me, the management board of school, the parents and guardians, invited guests, and to the dear student, Bula Binaka. Bula Binaka. Nice to hear your voice. Bula Binaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. You probably can tell by my shirt, this month is Pinktober, otherwise known as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Every year, we dedicate the month of October to increase awareness about breast cancer, a life-threatening disease that can be treated if doctors detect it early enough. In the final days of this important month, I urge all Fijians, women and men, to be familiar with the signs of breast cancer and all other types of cancer and seek treatment if you are ever at all concerned. I read a story today on my way here about breast cancer survivor Lavinia Vakadengo, who underwent treatment for breast cancer at the Colonial War Memorial Hospital. Thank God she won the battle. Today, she carries a powerful message I think every Fijian should hear. In her own words, do not fear. If you do it, it will prevent you from visiting the doctor at an early stage. That's what she said. Do not fear. If you do, it will prevent you from visiting the doctor at an early stage. Face the fear you may feel and approach a doctor. Thank you, Lavinia. Thank you for that message. I know it will save lives. It is my pleasure to join you all today at the Lautoka School for Special Education the school celebrates your Golden Jubilee. This half-century milestone comes at a time when not just your school, but all of Fiji marks 50 years of history. And to remember this day, I brought with me a souvenir that I hope each of you hold and cherish for a lifetime. Our special 50-cent commemorative coin, the first colored coin we've ever put into circulation. Girls and boys, it makes me so proud to stand before you all today, not just your Prime Minister, but as a father, as a grandfather, and as a fellow Fijian. Because you, each and every one of you, represent a Fiji we can all be proud of. And this school shows that our nation is one of inclusivity, one of opportunity, and of understanding that each of us has an important role in our society. Of everything we have accomplished in my time as Prime Minister, the one thing brings me most happiness and hope is, without a doubt, how far education in this country has come. Primary and secondary education are free of charge, and we have removed any barriers for parents to send their kids to school. And I think one of your students, Prasiltha Gaunda, for pointing out that very fact in a Fiji 50-second challenge video ahead of a 50th anniversary celebration. Prasiltha Gaunda here? Oh, this one? Let's put our hands together for President Ganda. Thank you, President. When President was asked what makes Fiji special, she answered, education for all. And she's right. In fact, more Fijian girls and boys fill our classrooms today than at any point in history. And as a result, our nation's potential has never been brighter. Thank you, Priscilla. And the students of Lautoka School for Special Education are living proof that all of Fijian children deserve to be treated as equals and deserve to be given the tools and support they need to succeed in this world. When I look around at the girls and boys of the school, I see their smiling faces. I don't see them for what they are unable to do. I see them for everything that they have overcome. So I have a message for Fijians everywhere, a message that your teachers and loved ones know all too well. The students of the school are strong, they are capable, and they do not deserve any stigma, but rather the support they need to thrive in Fijian society. My friends, our Constitution enshrines equality for all Fijians, including those who are differently able. That is why my government has introduced programs like the Disability Allowance, hostel grants, the bus fare allowance, and free TEL scholarships for students with disabilities. We have taken these steps not as a charity, but as a means of ensuring equality. We support you. We express that support as a people, not just as a government, but as a people. Before we close and get back to the celebrations, I want to take a moment to thank the staff, the teachers, and supporters of this fine school. You represent the best of Fiji. You pour your heart and soul into giving each student the individual care and quality education that fits their needs. And in doing so, you are doing more than changing lives. You are changing Fiji for the better. I look forward to watching each of you students grow and thrive both in their schooling and beyond. And I look forward to seeing the Lautoka School for Special Education continue to build upon its 50-year legacy, growing alongside our beloved Fiji and serving its children for decades to come. Thank you, and God bless you all.